Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. Today we want to talk about how we can model some sink in the kitchen. So at first I'm gonna start with a rectangle. I'm gonna draw some rectangle with some dimensions about 100 centimeter to 60 centimeter. For this thing I wrote them on the dimension box. I want to change my unit. I come to the model info, unit setup, and convert meter to centimeter like this. Now I'm gonna extrude this face. I click on the control and I left click on my face. I'm extruded about 90. I choose this line, copy of it about 10 centimeter. I use push or pull and push this line back for 2 centimeter like this. And another work is that I'm gonna copy this line to this place. I use offset like that. Offset is about 2 centimeter is good, and I use extrude option to push down my face something about 22 centimeter. Alright, like that. I convert this to the group, Ctrl S. Now I want to click on the rectangle line. So I draw some rectangle. I extrude it about 22. And I extrude it again about 2 centimeters, something like that. I want to copy this line down. I use it. Now I'm gonna extrude this face. I press Ctrl key and I extrude it with new face and new unit, something about 30 centimeter like that. Now time for using the sink's dishwashing places. So I'm gonna click on the offset. I use offset something about 2 centimeter, another offset something about 1 centimeter. Now I want to choose the line and draw some line in the middle lines. So I'm gonna use offset again. Offset something about 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. I delete this middle line. Now I wanna push down these faces with different heights. For example, this one is 22, 22. This one is something about 4 centimeter and another is about 2 centimeter. I want to push up a little bit forward, something about 5 centimeter, and I think everything is good. I click on the offset option. Now I'm gonna type 10 centimeter for this and 10 centimeter for this. I choose both of these faces. I click on the move. I want to bevel these lines and files. So I'm gonna select move option. I press Alt on my keyboard, and now I'm gonna select one of the vertices and push it on blue axis, something about 1 centimeter like this. Now our sink have some slap like that. So I'm gonna click on the offset like this, and another 8 centimeter. Push backward, something about 1 centimeter. Another is 1 centimeter like this. So I'm gonna convert this to the one external group. So I'm gonna use line option. I draw some line about 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. And now in height I want to draw some line about 32 centimeter and another line on red axis about 16 centimeter like that. So I'm gonna delete these two start lines. I use 2-point arc, and now I'm gonna draw some arc with some badges about 8 centimeter like that. I wanna delete this line. I use this line. I press material library, and from Eternity info I'm gonna increase the segments from 12 to 24, and I use line option. Another line on blue axis but negative, something about 10 centimeter like that. And I'm gonna draw some circle like this. So some number about, for example, 0.7 centimeter. I select this pass, I click on the follow me option, and I click on this, and our sink is over. So I'm gonna delete this face, use all of these files and delete them. I come to the window option, model info, statics, and purge unused options, and I fix problems. For some type of estimately problems will happen. So I'm gonna click on this sinks tab, and I create some another group. So I think everything is done. I can make some copy of it in some different distance, about 16 centimeter again, and I think everything is done. And we need to add some doors for this cabinet unit. So I'm gonna choose rectangle option. I draw some rectangle in here, triple click on it, right click on it, and we have some option called make component. I change the definition about door, and I press create. So I'm gonna press move and take some copy of it. So now if I make some edits and change to one of these components, other one will set this change too. I click on the push or pull option. I want to extrude something of 1.6 centimeter. 1.6 centimeter is a real dimension of every type of MDF wood panels. So I'm gonna extrude a little bit, something about 0.2 from both sides, like that. And this cabinet have some hidden handles. So for making some hidden handles, I can make some copy of this line for 3 centimeter. And now I'm gonna draw some rectangle from this place to this place, like that. I use tape measure. Our height is 3 centimeter. I type 0.6 from down and 0.6 from up. So we need some middle point like this, and I click on the line option. I draw some line in here and another line from here to here. I use 2-point arc, and I click on this end points like this. The badge is something as 0.34, and I press on the eraser option and delete these tape measure lines. So I click on this line, I press follow me option, and I click on this place. So very simple and easy. We successfully create these type of hidden handlers, and for some additional things you can use push or pull option and extrude it like this. Much beautiful, much prettier than the past. So I think everything is done. We model our cabinet and sink. At the final, for get some image renders or exports, you can do different things and jobs, but I will tell you at the next session. Like and comment, don't forget it. Please subscribe us, we need your support. Thanks for your watching, and goodbye.